In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in ElevenLabs, an essential tool for enhancing your AI text-to-speech projects. Whether you're new to ElevenLabs or looking to refine your skills, this guide will offer a comprehensive look at how you can leverage labels to bring your audio to life. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option. They all work seamlessly with ElevenLabs. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in ElevenLabs. This should take you to their main website, where you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process and will only take a moment. Once logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section, which is the core feature of ElevenLabs. This is where all the magic happens, so get ready to transform your text into engaging audio. It's critical to ensure that you're using the version 3 model here, as this is the version that recognizes and effectively uses labels. If you're not on v3, the labels you apply might not have the desired impact. Now, once you're sure everything's set up correctly, it's time to put your prompt into the system. Your next step is to add labels to your text. These labels are incredibly powerful, allowing you to tweak elements such as emotion, timing, narrative control, and sound effects. For example, if you're narrating an emotional piece and want to convey sadness, joy, or excitement, there are specific labels you can use to achieve this nuance in the AI-generated voice. Similarly, for precise timing or to add dramatic pauses, the timing labels will be your go-to tool. Also, consider using the narrative control labels if you want to guide the storytelling aspect of the generated speech, adding a layer of depth to your project. Moreover, sound effects can give your audio a richer, more immersive quality, whether you want to add atmospheric background sounds or emphasize certain moments in your narration. After you've configured your text with the appropriate labels, it's time to choose a voice. There are numerous options, so pick one that fits the tone and style of your project best. With your voice selected, go ahead and click on Generate Speech. This is where you'll see your hard work pay off as the text is transformed into audible content. Once your audio is generated, take a moment to listen to it. This not only allows you to ensure accuracy, but also gives you the opportunity to make any needed adjustments. If you're happy with the result, you have a couple of finishing options. You can download the audio file to keep it on your device, or you can share it with others, either through a direct link or by integrating it into your existing projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you can master the use of labels in ElevenLabs, enhancing your AI audio projects with greater precision and creativity.